Hi, I'm Noni Langdon from Great Ocean Properties. Welcome to 40 Hesse Street, Winchelsea. This charming cottage style home is set in one of Winchelsea's best streets, conveniently located just a short stroll to the train station and town centre. Set on 961 square metres and surrounded by mature gardens, you'll instantly fall in love with the sense of privacy and tranquility this property offers. A great opportunity for first home buyers, those looking to invest with a great rent return, or a family home with its 3 generous bedrooms, an open plan kitchen, living, dining space, opening onto a sun-drenched north-facing decking. A great property in a great location is available by private appointment. Please contact myself, Noni Langdon, or Marty Ma on the following numbers. We'd love to help you.